What are the major forces that have molded Western civilization? How have the history, literature, philosophy, ideals, and practices of the past influenced 20th century Western society? What lessons can be learned from looking back? Beginning Saturday, August 26th at 10 a.m. on PBS, television viewers throughout the nation will have the opportunity to learn about the ideas, events, politics, and people that have shaped Western society when the Western tradition premieres on PBS. There are three triage categories. The first is emergency. This requires immediate attention. If you suffer chest pains, for example, and appear to have a heart-related emergency, we will do our best to get you into a bed and seen within 15 minutes of the time you walk in. Today, Concordia University Irvine helps to serve the educational, social, and spiritual needs of more than 1,200 students each year, from a beautiful campus designed to enhance the learning environment. Nestled near the coast of Southern California's Orange County, in the thriving community of Irvine, Concordia University includes the School of Arts and Sciences and the School of Education. In California, Joseph Bauer, former board president of the Trinity County Resource Conservation District, tells district members how the soil survey completed in their county has helped identify forestland soils susceptible to erosion and how the information will enhance plans to mitigate erosion and sedimentation problems in the county. If you're looking for stability, breathtaking views, all the amenities, friendly neighbors, superior location, and a relaxed resort community, welcome to Cathedral Canyon Country Club. Cathedral Canyon Country Club is close to all the important things: shopping, Restaurant Row, the excitement of downtown Palm Springs, the freeways, and famous attractions such as the museum and tramway. Corrective maintenance has been simplified by the design of the system so that repairs may be completed with minimum downtime. The SSM automatic degaussing system is an important counter-weapons device that demands the finest care and maintenance obtainable. The system is flexible, highly reliable, and effective at providing anti-magnetic protection. The SSM is as modern as the computer age, and properly operated will keep your ship free of mine threat and ready to serve. The casa, built primarily with Chumash Indian labor, is constructed in a typical Spanish colonial design, with a veranda that served as an outdoor living space, as well as a corridor between some of the rooms. It is built primarily out of three materials: adobe bricks, clay tiles, and wood. Though each habitat assignment is challenging, few are more isolated than the Kasulu, Tanzania project. For 3 years, it has been home to Wyoming's Winston and Dixie Slider and their daughters. Despite the inconveniences, the memory the Sliders won't soon forget is that of 100 new homes and 100 new families they helped put in those homes. Lava fountains are typical of these kinds of volcanoes. The lava can shoot hundreds of feet into the sky, and an eruption like this can last for days. Lava can also erupt through cracks in the ground, creating walls of fire or lava curtains. A lava curtain can sometimes be more than a mile long and reach a height of over 150 feet.